see how to replace batteries of TCL 65-inch QHD TV remote controls. This is the air mouse as well as voice command mouse, and this one is normal smart TV mouse. So for replacing the battery of air command mouse, I used a coin, and the batteries are located at the bottom of the mouse, that is remote control, bottom of the remote control. The battery compartment door is locked with a device similar to screw. So 2 points we can see, one is lock and one more is unlock, that is O is a one lock. Take a coin, insert it in the groove provided, open the battery compartment door. You can see 2 batteries as you can see here. This top one is the positive polarity of the battery. Be careful with the polarities. As you can see, it is already printed on the compartment door that this one is plus and negative minus right side. So insert the battery according to the polarities shown. Always be careful with the polarities of the batteries. Just place the compartment door on top and turn it the screw clockwise, pressing it a bit, and your remote control is ready for use. Hold the remote control in your hand, push the back cover gently by pressing it a bit with your thumb. And for removing the batteries, I would advise you to use a key or a plastic spoon or something like that. I am trying to use a nail and it's a bit difficult. So see, this one is the positive. As you can see on the remote, the spring side is always negative and the pointed one is positive. So insert the batteries according to the polarities printed or embossed on the remote control. Place the back cover on the remote control, and by pressing it gently push it upwards, and you can hear a click sound. And now both the remotes are ready for use. If the video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.